This assessment asks us to calculate the total strain in the eclipsed conformation shown. And so what we need to do is identify what eclipsing interactions we have and assign the particular energy value to them. We'll start with the HH eclipsing interaction here, which we know has a value of 1 kilocalorie per mole of strain. The HCH3 eclipsing interaction contributes 1.3 kilocalories per mole of strain. And we have two of these. This one here is also an HCH3. So we have another 1.3 kilocalories per mole of strain. Adding those up, 1.3 plus 1.3 plus 1. The total strain in this eclipsing conformation is 3.6 kilocalories per mole.